Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Hi, this is IB. I am really happy to see you here in this lecture. Let me try to introduce you to the object-oriented programming. It also make you confident in developing your own application. As of now, this video includes some terms of object-oriented programming. Before explain further, let me show you definition of object-oriented programming. You guys are wondering why we are learning object-oriented programming because Java is an object-oriented programming. OOPS stands for object-oriented programming. So what is OOPS? It is a methodology to map real-world objects data into virtual world. In order to know object-oriented programming, a term comes again and again, object. So what is object? In this world, everything is an object. In this world, everything is an object which is having some physical existence. Let me show some examples. Human, car, fruit, ball, etc. are objects. Ghost, wind are not object cause it does not have physical existence. Let's dive into object observation. Do you know every software is created for object like student management system for student, a hospital management system for patients, doctor, etc. If we deeply observe object in this world, every object has two characteristics, properties and behavior. Properties means identification of object, behavior means what object can do. Let's take an example. This boy is an object, so it must have properties from which he can identify, like his name, father's name, contact, email address, blood group, mother's name, that is object's property. And this boy is also having behavior like he can eat, play, walk, etc. So our purpose is to map real world objects like this boy's properties and behaviors with our program. In order to make program, we will represent objects properties as data member and objects behavior as function or methods. The next term of object oriented programming is class. It is a blueprint, structure, template for object. Class is structure for creating object. Example, a car must have accelerator, brake, steering, etc. So Jaguar, BMW, Mercedes, Land Rover, etc. are objects of car class. Class also represent collection of similar kind of objects. Do you know difference between class and seminar word? Class, in class all objects belong to same kind. Like in Java class, all student will be of Java. Like Ram, Shyam, Sita are object of student class. However, seminar is a collection of different kind of objects, not same time. Then, for example, in train, first class, second class. Similarly, in flight, economy class, business class are example of class in real world. Means passengers of this class are categorized based on fear. Now, features of object-oriented programming. There are three features of object-oriented programming: polymorphism, inheritance, and encapsulation. In short, called PI. P stands for polymorphism, I stands for inheritance, E stands for encapsulation. Finally, we have reached to the end of this video. Object-oriented programming goes beyond this. I will discuss each and every feature of OOPS in detail in later videos. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel, like, comments, and of course, if you want to give suggestions, you're welcome. I'll catch you guys later. Have a nice day from Tech Series. Thank you.